If you're arriving at Stansted Airport in London, England, and were wanting to see how you arrive from your plane to the baggage claim, I will show you here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. There are 4 airports located in the London area. I'll show you step by step what you can expect once you land at Stansted Airport and make your way to baggage claim. Once you leave the plane, you'll see a number of buses waiting for you. Find one, get inside, and if you're lucky, grab a seat. Once the bus is full, you'll be driven to the arrival section of the airport. From here, you walk into the doorway and then turn to the left. You go up an escalator and you'll go up another escalator, and then you'll go through a door that shares space with security checking carry-ons. I couldn't continue to do video at this point due to security laws in the UK. But once you walk through, you'll end up in the arrival section of the airport and be in the food court. If you turn to the right and follow, you'll see a sign baggage collection, and you're here. In this airport, baggage is left out to be picked up rather than a carousel. Once you pick up your baggage, you go out the front of the airport and you go on your way. Thank you for watching this video. If you're curious about Heathrow or Gatwick Airport, I have videos that may help you, and once they're up, you can check them out here. And check out all my videos and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.